welcome. This is Milana Smart, and today I am going to be giving you a tour of Hotel Legoland. So yeah, this is my room. If you want to see a full tour of the room, then there will be a video of that separately. In the Ninjago rooms, this is the hallway that it's in. So that's what the doors look like. And then all the carpets that I assume have been specially made for here, they're all themed to the rooms and the walls. And the way we booked it meant that we got 2 days free at Legoland with it. There's Master Wu. And all around the hotel there's loads of ways to play with Lego, and they normally have quite a few like movies out and stuff. There's loads of lighting as well that's Lego themed. As I come down the stairs, there is then a humongous wall made out of Lego for people to play with. And here, this is the Friends one. They've got Friends people. And yesterday there was a movie being shown there. This is the Friends hallway. And here, near the main reception, there's like a big Lego wall. And you can build things, and you also get loads of building materials in your hotel room. And each month there's a different thing you have to build, and then you put your make on here. This time it was a dinosaur, and then you get one of the sticky notes, put your name on it, and then the next day you can look by the fire truck to see if you won. So I'm going to go look around there now because I put one there yesterday. But on the way to the thing, there's this small Lego shop. Then there's snacks, cold drinks, and here is a massive dragon made out of Lego. And at the top there's a bit somewhere to play. Another Lego man. Movies get shown in there as well. There are loads of monkeys and stuff. Place to sit there. Lots of things to look at over there as well, made out of Lego. Penguin, an area that talks about the Lego house and how to get to it. So that's the hotel, that's the house. And then lots of things talking about it. Then along here you have a wizard, Lego. I think that's for Merlin's. Yeah, it's for Merlin's magic wand, the charity. And then another big wall to build things on. And then here we have a band made out of Lego. They normally play music, but they don't seem to be playing it today. Oh look, his guitar has a speaker, and that's what it is. Keep playing your music. Okay. Oh, there we go. Toilet signs are all like in Lego. There we go. Oh, this is the Brick Lounge, which is the conference room. There's more than one conference room. Pirate dog. That's the pirate ship, which is a cafe or restaurant. That's closed while we were here because there's not actually many people here, even though it's still the summer holidays. Maybe they go back earlier in Denmark. I didn't notice this before, but there's on the wall here near the hotel bit, the house bit, there's loads of Lego butterflies and things. And then, along here, this is what I said earlier, there's loads of things. Some Friends people riding away. And the dragon looking. Oh, that would have been really good. I'm gonna make that again. And here they've got an NBA player. And then this is the entrance here. You have Darth Vader, in Lego of course. How have I forgotten his name? And then another person. And that's the entrance there to the hotel. And they've got a huge Lego minifig on the wall over here, and a guy on a bike that with magnifying glass wheels to show you the minifigs. Then this is Panorama, which is a main restaurant, and this is one of the lounges where you can get popcorn and stuff. Just here, there's a Lego person playing the piano. Down here, from where I was before, talking about the track and stuff, that's another entrance to where I just was. And then here, in there is the fitness suite. I'm not going to go in there because it's over 15s only, and there's going to be people training that don't want to be filmed. But yeah, high five. So literally everything is just Lego themed. I think the Legoland here is a lot better than the Windsor Resort. There's a lot more things that are actually made out of Lego here, compared to the other one. Like, look, this is crazy. The top of those houses are taller than me. Just the detail in that is crazy. Well, bam. Mirror maze. Lots of cool stuff. Another conference room, and that one at the end there. Another toilets everywhere. Yesterday they had Deloitte's here doing conferences, and this is where we were earlier when I went over the kids zone. Well, this is part of the kids room. Got Nintendo here, Switch, Switcheroo, and then another Nintendo there. Cool stuff. You can hear people running above it. There's a robot made out of Lego, and actually there's no one else here. Hope you've enjoyed this video. You've been watching Round of Minutes and more. Goodbye, good night, and good day. So here outside, I'm sorry, it's raining. They've got a massive Lego globe, which is humongous. I'm going to go back in now because it's raining and I'm getting very wet, and so is my iPad. So let's go.